In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Elementor on WordPress. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or just beginning your journey, Elementor is a powerful tool that can help transform your website with its easy drag and drop functionality. Let's get started by ensuring you have WordPress installed and ready to go. If you're unfamiliar with WordPress installation, you can easily find helpful guides online that will walk you through that process. Next, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard, which is essentially the control center for your WordPress site. Once you're in the dashboard, we need to direct our attention to the sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find a variety of options, but for today, we want to focus on the Plugins section. Click on Plugins, and from the drop-down menu, choose Add New. This is where we can search for and install new plugins to enhance your website's functionality. In the Add Plugins section, you'll notice a search bar in the top right corner. Click there and type in Elementor. As you type, WordPress will start to populate search results. Look for the plugin titled Elementor Page Builder. You'll recognize it by the name and description. Once you find it, click the Install Now button next to it. The installation process will only take a few moments, so hang tight. When the installation is complete, the button will change to Activate, which is precisely what we want to do next. Click Activate, and this will integrate Elementor with your existing WordPress theme. Elementor should now appear in your WordPress dashboard menu on the left-hand side. Now that Elementor is activated, let's talk briefly about what you can do with it. With Elementor, you can customize the pages on your site visually and interactively. It's all about creating beautiful, responsive designs without needing to write a single line of code. This makes it accessible to everyone, regardless of technical expertise. You can add modules such as images, text, and sliders, essentially anything you need to make your website unique and functional. As a little tip, when you start building or editing a new page, look for the option that says Edit with Elementor. Clicking this will open up the Elementor interface, where you have complete control over your page layout. It's intuitive and straightforward, but there's a lot to discover, so take your time exploring all the features. Congratulations! You've successfully activated Elementor on your WordPress site. You're now equipped to use Elementor to design stunning web pages that capture your style and meet your needs. Don't forget to save your work frequently as you go along. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing!